film. And one is, I mean, during the research, I must say, I made half-hearted attempts. Called some people, they said call tomorrow, tomorrow. And somewhere subconsciously, because my thing is, I wasn't sure once I spoke to them. I mean, one is I wasn't even sure if they wanted to speak to me. Why would they? Because it's kind of, because also in the kind of legal scenario of what's happened, I mean, if I didn't even know if it was advisable for them to speak to me, actually. And secondly, it was about me. It was my inability to go there and where do you even begin asking the question? What is like your terms of engagement? So I spoke to the survivors. And after my research, I was actually quite clear that that's where my empathy lies. That's the film I wanted to make. And yeah, and I wanted to look at this through their memory. And because this is a question actually I've been asked, why didn't you speak to the perpetrator? And maybe somebody else would have, but I couldn't, and I didn't.
I liked it that you've not done it, because otherwise there's this kind of like spectacularization of evil, like an act of killing does, and it just becomes the machismo of the filmmaker that I showed you the perpetrators. But knowing that, but this becomes, as Urvi said, much more resonant, because you see it as one arc of an incident which recurs in so many other places in so many ways. And in a sense, you make that larger political comment about how one kind of idea of self and other creates power, and then actually positions of power. So I really like that you did it.
I just wanted to ask you about the difficulty of working with when you were editing, when you were shooting and when you were editing especially, the beauty of the landscape, which you have used in an ironic way or in a non-commentative way or in a way that is there, and this is also there. How did you sort of work with that in terms of, is this going to become like, how do I maintain this sort of balance? Is it going to become an overuse of a sudden, then will it start seeming like a device? I mean, that kind of engagement at the finer tuning level of...
An anxiety Amit and I had through the end of the film. In fact, just before I answer, there was this person I showed the rough cut to, which was longer and had many more things in the fields, and he was like, yeah, it's fields, it's pretty, but for somebody like me watching it, it's just a field, it could be anywhere, and it's true. Coming back to the structure and the form, I'm using the word character for the lack of a better word. I don't like using that word, but there was Sirajuddin ji and Abdul Khair ji, but I was also very clear once I finished the research that whether that's the fields or actually the river are as much characters in the film, because if you go there, it's a stunningly beautiful place, and each of the places that I've shot, actually it's all on location of where the massacre happens. Of course, I don't kind of say that in every place, because I was hoping that would be evident at the end of the film. If it wasn't, then I've done a terrible job. But this question of, look, what you see is not what it is the sense we were trying to create, that you have this kind of beautiful landscape, and but there is violence embedded in that soil and in that river, and people continue to have a relation. You don't see that in the film, but these are the fields people still farm in. This is the river where they go to have a bath, they fish, they row. And I wanted that to be in the film, and for that to speak on its own terms. And again, in that sense, it's Delhi. I mean, I live in Delhi because I'm sure that's true of, or in Bombay, that it's true of every place that has witnessed violence. But I was hoping to kind of connect Sirajuddin ji's and Abdul Khair ji's history and memory to the history and the memory of that place itself.
At the prayer meeting, because I haven't seen something like that, in the sense that you see Muharram, where it's the 7th century, Karbala is remembered, but I have never seen it, memory of something so recent. And does that happen?